We will now discuss the solution of the problem from the section Coordinate Geometry, and the problem is based on the concepts of ellipse. This question has appeared in Joint Entrance Examination Main held on 27th July 2021 in the second shift. The problem is, let E be an ellipse whose axes are parallel to the coordinate axis, having its center at the point with the coordinates 3, minus 4, one focus at 4, minus 4, and one vertex at 5, minus 4. If mx minus y is equal to 4, where m greater than 0 is a tangent to the ellipse E, then the value of 5m square is equal to. So we are given an ellipse with center at 3, minus 4, one focus at 4, minus 4, and one vertex at 5, minus 4. And it is further given mx minus y is equal to 4 is a tangent to the ellipse required to find the value of 5m square. Let's now discuss the solution of the problem in detail. So that's our problem. Solution. We have E, an ellipse whose axes are parallel to the coordinate axis. This is our ellipse E. We are given its center, let's call it as C. C at 3, minus 4, a focus F1, 4, minus 4, and a vertex A at 5, minus 4. So observe that all these points are lying on the straight line y is equal to minus 4, and so those are the center C, a focus F1, and the vertex A. So therefore A is equal to, small a is equal to CA, the distance between the center to the vertex A. So the other extreme. So that is 5 minus 3, that is equal to 2. CF1, that is the distance of the focus F1 from the center is, we know the formula AE is equal to 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1. AE is equal to 1, where A is 2. Therefore, E is equal to 1 by 2. Now, we have B square is equal to A square into 1 minus C square. That's the formula to find the other semi-axis. And that is A is the semi-major axis, looks like. So, B square, when you compute that, you will get it as 3. So, B square is equal to A square into 1 minus C square. Put the values of A and E in this and you will get this 3. So, the semi-major axis is A is 2. The semi-minor axis B is root 3. So, that and the eccentricity E is equal to 1 by 2. So, now, so what's the equation of the ellipse? It's an equation. It is an ellipse whose center at 3, minus 4, and with semi-major axis A is equal to 2 and semi-minor axis B is equal to 3. So therefore, the equation of the ellipse will be x minus 3 whole square plus x minus 3 whole square by A square, that is equal to 4, plus y plus 4 whole square by B square, that's equal to 3, is equal to 1. That is the equation of the ellipse. Let's call this as the equation 1. We continue in the next slide. And we have the equation of the ellipse, which we have called them as equation 1. It is given mx minus y is equal to 4, where m is greater than 0 is a tangent to the ellipse. So mx minus y is equal to 4 will imply y plus 4 is equal to mx. because it is appearing in the equation 1. So at y plus 4 we will substitute mx. So then from 1, this is the 1. That means we want to find the where the tangent E meets the tangent to the ellipse E meets the ellipse E. So in this we substitute x minus 3 whole square by 4 plus m square x square by 3 is equal to 4, and take the LCM, and you will get x square minus 6x plus 9 by 4. So plus m square x square by 3 is equal to 1. Now take the LCM, and 3 times of x square minus 6x plus 9 plus 4 times of m square x square is equal to 4 into 3, 12. So now write it as a quadratic in x. That will be 3 plus 4m square multiplied by x square minus 18x plus 15 is equal to 0. It's a quadratic in x, and because mx minus y is equal to 4 is a tangent, it meets this, a tangent meets the ellipse at exactly 1 point. Therefore, the above quadratic must have equal roots for x. So that is possible when you equate the discriminant of this equation is equal to 0. So capital D is equal to discriminant. Our formula is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Here b is 18, and that is 18 square minus 4 times the leading coefficient 3 plus 4m square into constant, that is 15. And when simplified, you will get 240m square is equal to 144. From this we get 5m square is equal to 3, and that is the answer which we are supposed to find. So what is the value of 5m square? That's the question asked, and we got 5m square is equal to 3. That's our answer. That is the discussion of the solution of the problem from the coordinate geometry, and the problem is based on the concepts of the ellipse, and I am sure that you have understood the solution of this problem. I wish you all the best. Thank you.